No investment, no selling, no calling, and you can earn 3 to 5,000 per day. No qualification, no skills, and you can work from home. I am quite sure we have read this kind of posters along the streets, and nowadays we get messages as well. I am not here to give you these business ideas. I am here to give you the way, the process, the method and the strategy how to identify profitable and feasible business opportunities with less money. I may be giving you a couple of ideas here, but my more focus is to give you the way and methods how you can identify these ideas. And this is our today's topic, a business opportunities which are profitable, feasible with less money. Hello guys, my name is Yogesh Tite and I am the founder of Entype. Let's start. Let's decode our title first. When I am saying with less money, what does it mean? Can you get into smartphone business with the less money? Can you get into electronic business with the less money? Can you get into real estate business with the less money? 90% of the people have got the picture when I am saying mobile, smartphone, electronics or real estate. It needs a lot of money. But we are talking about starting a business. Starting a business is always small. When we talk about electronic, smartphone and laptops, why don't you consider drop shipping as a business option? You don't need to keep the inventory, you don't need to do a lot of marketing. When there is an order, get it from the supplier, ask the delivery partner to deliver it to the end customer. This is nothing but a drop shipping. You can do drop shipping with almost every physical product. You can find a lot of people doing drop shipping on Amazon, Flipkart and various e-commerce sites. It doesn't need huge amount of money. We talked about real estate as well. Once in a lifetime, everybody needs the help from brokers. Brokers don't have any property. They don't invest. They are just giving you service to identify your apartment, your flat, your bungalow, plot. What they are doing? With the less money, they are doing some business. So you can start most of the business with the less money. In technical or professional terms, people call it asset-light business model, wherein you don't own anything, but you are into a business. And once you settle down into this particular business, slowly you can expand your business to the next level. The next thing in our title is profitable. When I am saying profitable, we have to consider while starting a business a simple ready forward transaction. That means if I am buying an apple of 100 rupees and I am selling it at 150 rupees, that means a clear 50 rupees is a profit and it is a simple transaction. So we need to identify which are the asset-light business model we can start. Second filter is who is having this simple and ready forward transaction. The third point in our title is feasible. Selling pin to helicopter to aeroplane. Everything is feasible in this market because somebody is already doing that. That means it is feasible. Now we need to understand what is feasible for us. So we need to look into our resource kitty. How much money I can invest, how much land I can invest, how much space I can invest, what are my skills, what are my expertise, where I am located. Based on that, you can consider, let's say there are 10 asset-light business model, 7 are ready forward and simple transaction, and out of that 3 suits my skills or my resources. I can do that. That would be the best idea to start with. Once you get into the business, you would come to know where to head next. But make sure you need to filter out ideas in this pattern only. I am repeating it, identifying asset-light model, a profitable idea and the idea which is feasible to you. Once you get that, you can start the business. Now you would be able to identify a right idea for you. But let me give you few hints. One is already discussed, drop shipping. Second, you can consider digital marketing. Third, you can consider if you have got experience, some expertise and skills, you can consult. Literally, you can consult in any domain. Into business, marketing, digital marketing, medical, healthcare, families, anything which you can consult in a good way. The next thing is content production. As in video editing, graphic designing, hardly you need a system. And nowadays, lot of people are looking for this kind of services. Fifth is sales. You don't need to buy anything, you don't need to keep the inventory. If you are good at the sales, if you are good at the convincing, you can just literally anything. And all these 5 domain, you can literally start with the less money. I hope you like this video and whatever we discussed today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again.